There are places in the world that don't just exist on a map. They live in your senses long after you've left. Zanzibar is one of them. Off the coast of East Africa, where the Indian Ocean stretches like a sheet of endless blue, lies an island whispered about in ancient trade winds and timeless tales. A place where the sun warms more than your skin. It stirs your soul. Zanzibar is not just a destination, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a story told in the language of waves, wind, and wonder. In the heart of Stonetown, history breathes through every carved doorway. The scent of clove and cardamom drifts through tangled alleyways, where echoes of Swahili, Arabic, and Persian past dance in the air. Time here does not rush, it lingers. You'll taste the richness of the island in every bite. Octopus grilled by the sea, fresh coconut curry, sweet spiced tea brewed slowly, and shared with strangers who quickly feel like friends. As the sun begins to fall, the island glows in gold. In Nungwi and Kendwa, the day closes with magic. Dhow sails catching the last light, casting long shadows across endless shores. The tide hums its evening song, and the world grows still. Beneath the surface, a secret world awaits. Coral gardens teeming with life, sea turtles gliding like ancient guardians, dolphins dancing through clear, warm water. At Mnemba Atoll, even silence feels alive. And when the stars rise, Zanzibar shifts again. A gentle hush falls over the island. From the deck of a dhow, under the shimmer of lantern light and stardust, you realize Zanzibar is not a place you simply visit. It's a place that visits you, in dreams, in memories, in the whisper of the ocean long after you've returned home. Come for the beaches. Stay for the soul. Zanzibar awaits.